there you go. I'm going to take this out. Now I put all the skirting around. As you saw, I had to raise it up a little bit with spacers. There's three main, this is held by three main supports. It's a triangular support. So there's two legs at the back, one at front, and there's two dampers that I put some paddings on that you just tighten them up to get them stiff so they don't bounce around. And basically there's your machine. The skirting, I need to put some screws in. I need to pass the wires for the fans. I need to put the air in, and then I'm gonna clean everything up before I close it tight and maybe seal the floor, because I think I need to remove some dust from this area. There's a lot of, because I had to do some work, as you'll see in some videos we've done before. There is work that has been done here. So you'll see in a different earlier life, I did do some videos, but I didn't show them to anybody. I just kept them for me, and well, they're available. So I will share those. What else? That's the computer system you get right here. That's the joystick. There's that's equipment to do some, I think that's calibration stuff. That white ball, that's to calibrate the machine. There's a motor controlled head. This one is, this one is motorized. This one is manual. You can basically, I could put it in my other milling and use it to do some probing. And then what else? All kinds of stuff, all kinds of cool stuff. So it's coming. So I hope you're watching this. The next step is basically hooking up everything up, putting the controllers, trying to start up the computer, fix this first. Plus I want to actually, first thing I want to do is do a complete off the hoods and make sure everything did not suffer during transport. So that's very important. So now I know all this is what it looks like. The controls go in a rack that is basically right here. That's the frame that goes under that, and they basically put it on the floor because it's a clean room machine. It's not supposed to be in this environment right now, which is dusty and everything. So I'm gonna have to do something about it. That's the plan. Here is to turn this into an environmentally well-controlled area where all the, you see those walls there, I'm putting windows. Little quick turnaround there. There are going to be windows here shortly. And then those walls are going to be covered and everything. Electrical work's going to be redone. And then we're going to hook up everything, and there's other projects after that. So that one I'm putting on the slow burner. No rush right now. It's just something I want to play with for a little bit and test it, learn it, make sure I understand that everything is functional, nothing is broken. Maybe I'm going to learn some new stuff about technologies I did not know. That's always the cool part about being able to play with these things, and really not just probing around, but just basically analyzing what's going on and make sure that you don't break anything doing it, because these are very precise machines. And when I do mean precision, I will explain to you what precision means in the future. So because there's a difference between precision and repeatability. Sorry, my English, I don't practice it so much, so I'm gonna have to do exercises with my face and my tongue. Yeah, that's from being here by myself too often. All right, so see you around, guys.